Well, everyone, hope you're doing well. Just a really big reminder, your AP research paper and your video are due tomorrow by end of day. So the research paper and video are due tomorrow by end of day. I did open week 13 already. However, there are many of you that have not submitted this assignment yet. So I'm not going to do a final exam review until you guys get that done. So I'm going to give that a few more days. More than likely, it will be posted on Monday, so keep an eye on that. Be sure to finish your paper and presentation, though, by tomorrow, and I'm hoping that we have a few of you that submit the rest of their work today. So reach out if you have any questions. I look forward to hearing back from you and helping you through this process, and I'm looking forward to really reading that paper because I know a lot of you have worked hard on it. So just a reminder, make sure your paper's done. Let me know if I can help you in any way. Thanks so much.